Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today we want to learn about wonderful birds. Okay, look at page 12. Okay, read with teacher. Wonderful birds. There are different types of birds in the natural environment. Some birds are big and some are small. Okay, let's look one by one. So the first picture is ostrich. Ostrich is big. An ostrich cannot fly, but it can run fast. Let's spell ostrich together. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Number 2 is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Next, this is an owl. O-W-L. Owl. Owl hunts small mammals at night. And this one is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Next picture is chicken. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. This is the picture of hummingbird. H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D. Hummingbird. Okay, as you can see from the first picture, hummingbird is the smallest bird. And hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. And it also have no sense of smell. Next is pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Pelican. And the last one is swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Open your activity book, also page 12. Okay, the questions here. Rearrange the letters to form the correct word. Okay, look at number 1. The spell there is L-W-O. Okay, you look at the picture. This is an owl. Okay, refer your textbook and you look at the spelling of owl. So, O-W-L. Owl. Number 1 is owl. Number 2, eagle. Number 3, peacock. And number 4 is ostrich. Okay, that's all for today. Bye. Assalamualaikum.